As a progressive employer that champions workforce skills development, SSG appointed SD Logistics as a SkillsFuture Queen Bee in 2023.
Joining the SkillsFuture Queen Bee network has been a game changer for us. We previously struggled with daily business demands and miss out on critical trainings and government supports. Through the network, we have discovered valuable trainings, opportunities, and support schemes that have empowered us to upskill our teams and elevate our operations.
SD Logistics is an end-to-end supply chain company, and we have been in existence for more than 50 years. We've accumulated a lot of knowledge and experience in supply chain, and hence, I think it's about time that we contribute to the larger industry. SSG appointed us as a Queen Bee for the supply chain industry. There are many schemes introduced, for example, the career conversion programs, the CTC grants, and job redesign. These schemes will enhance productivity, reduce cost, and make SMEs more competitive. And in addition, these schemes will also lead to quality worker outcomes and improve the livelihood of workers.
As a company that provides manpower solutions, we knew it was time to meet the demands of the green and digital economy, but we were overwhelmed by the complexity of the career conversion programs. Joining the SkillsFuture Queen Bee network transformed this to us. We received crucial support and streamlined access to job redesign and reskilling programs, enabling our staff to upskill and excel in roles focused on sustainability and digitalizations.
MFI is a SME in the logistics supply chain industry here in Singapore. We have been very proud that ST has always treated us as a strategic partner and a vendor. So we always come to them and share with them our challenges, especially since COVID-19. We've come to them on our issues of manpower as well as our upscaling of staff. Through the encouragement of Queen Bee supply chain team, we participated and enrolled as a member in SCEU. This membership allowed us the various platforms to upgrade and to continually improve the productivity of our staff. There were many training programs available that we were fortunate to embrace. And through this, our staff was able to upscale. We were able to look at technologies that as an SME, we would never follow up or see. It encourages us not to fear upgrading, not to fear improving the technologies.
The SkillsFuture Queen Bee supply chain network was established with the sole aim of uplifting SME in the logistic value chain. Since the inception, we have more than 50 SME in the network. Through the personalized guidance of the skills manager in helping these companies, they have actually benefited immensely, which lead to lowering of business costs and enhanced productivity. All this is achieved through the various activities like masterclasses, community of practice, as well as learning journey organized by SC Logistics in our capacity as the supply chain Queen Bee.
SC Logistics has come a long way in transforming our workforce through digitalization and competency upskilling. COVID accelerated our shift, prompting us to digitalize our operations and empower our employees to self-directed learning. Our Skills Allowance Scheme incentivizes our workers to enhance their abilities, and while the journey is still ongoing, we believe together we can shape a better future-ready workforce.
作为新科物流行业领头羊计划合作伙伴，我感到非常高兴。这种合作是对我和我的团队来说是一个巨大的鼓励和动力。
And hereby, I would like to encourage all SMEs to partner SD Logistics in your SkillsFuture journey.
The time to seize opportunities is now. With an abundance of grants, schemes, and salary support available, our partners have the power to enhance productivity, reduce business costs, and transform the workforce to meet the challenges facing our supply chain industry. As a SkillsFuture Queen Bee, we are committed to walking this journey with you and providing personalized guidance every step of the way. So please join us and let's pave the way for the industry's success.